YouTubians, what's up, man? I know it's been a minute. It's been a long minute. That's because your boy been working hard. So I figured I'd make a video for you guys. So today what I'm gonna do is I got this box right here. Y'all see what that is? Alright. So I guess this is the company that I bought it from. What it is just some struts, man. I'm gonna put some struts on this car because you know, it's time to upgrade. Of course we still got the Charger. I ain't gonna get rid of this thing, man. And I guess y'all heard that Dodge is finna stop making Chargers this year or next year. I guess they going electric. So I'm pretty sure y'all already heard that. But I'm gonna put these struts on, and I just want to show y'all. Somebody told me about these struts. They wasn't high price. I think I paid like $400 for them. They had some that was $1,100, but I wasn't gonna spend $1,100. But I heard some people say some good things about this. I heard some people say some negative things about this. So I'm gonna let you guys see what's going on with it. See what I'm working with. So this is how they come. They're adjustable struts too. So I'm gonna take these are the front. Put about this so you guys can see. So these are the adjustable struts. I don't know much about them. Coilovers. It's a nice pretty color on them. So I figured they already preset right there. I figured they're preset, so I'm gonna put them on there, and I'm gonna got the car jacked up already, so I'm gonna get them put on there, get the fronts put on there, and we're gonna see what it looked like. But I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you the back ones. These are the back ones. Here, hold this phone for me. Let me take this out the pack. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna take it out the pack. Let you guys see what it looked like. Gotta pull this shunt off. So I'm guessing this cup right here goes somewhere. I guess it goes in here or up here or something like that. Shit, it goes somewhere, and then the spring, goes in here. Goes in there somewhere like that. But we'll figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. And I'm gonna show you guys what bolts to take off, but I ain't gonna sit here and bore you. I ain't gonna sit here and bore you with me taking the wheel off. So I'm gonna take the wheel off, pause the camera, take the wheel off, and I'll show you the bolts, what bolts I'm gonna take off, so I can take the old straight out, put the new one on. All right, peoples. Now that we got the tire off, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this nut off right here. First, I'm gonna get my PB basher. I'm gonna spray that nut, and then I'm gonna take this off right here. See the nut on the other side right there, that nut. I'm gonna take that off, and then I am going to take this bolt off right here. And after I take this bolt off, I got 3 nuts up under the hood, 3 bolts up under the hood I'm gonna take off, and then I'm gonna pull the shock out. So I'm gonna pause the video for just a second. Let me get these nuts off. I just showed you the nuts that you're gonna have to take off. Very easy. And so when I get those nuts off and get ready to pull the strut out, I'll put it right back on video for you guys. Alright, y'all. So you see, I took that bolt off. I took this bolt off, which is from the back of here. Right there, I just gotta push it out some more. And I did take a tie rod bolt out right there. And what it did was it dropped this right here. So make sure that you unhook this brake electric thing. I can't think right now. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do is, and I took that bolt off right there from the edge of this. So what you do is, now you got 3 bolts up under the hood. Let me show you. Oh. You're gonna have 3 bolts up under this hood right there, and it should drop that strut. All right. So let me get them 3 bolts off, and we'll see how these new struts go in. So y'all just hang with me. All right. So check it out. Check it out, y'all. So I got that strut right there. I ain't got nothing tightened down on it because I'm just trying to see how it fit. So what I did was I had to adjust it because it was shorter than my other strut. So I let this down, and I'm pushing the spring up right now. I was twisting the spring up with the keys to get it to the right height that I wanted. But the only thing that I don't like is, as you can see up there, it's middle to middle, and you know, I wish they had like a rubber seal to sit at the top. Okay, you can make one for it. I suggest make a rubber seal at the top. Okay, now these bolts, as you can see, right here, they need washers up under there. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot, get me some washers. That way I can fill that gap right there, because you see the gap, and they're smaller. So I need a washer that's gonna fit around these things. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get me a washer, get me some washers. And you know what? Hold on. There was 3 of them that we took off. Let me see. Did I put them 3? Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Might be able to use the 3 bolts that came off of there. Let's see. Okay. So we're just gonna use the 3 bolts that came off of there, because you know it's already got the built-in washer to it. Oh shit. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take these bolts that they sent us here. We're gonna take them back off, and we're gonna use the ones that was on there, the previous ones. So let me let you guys see that. You see the gap? It's a no-no. As soon as you tighten it down, it just punch right through this aluminum. So we're gonna use the ones that was on there for factory. We're gonna use them. All right. And so what I got to do is, let me show you. You guys seen the videos. I had all this stuff replaced, but this right here, I guess is a sway bar linkage or whatever. You hear that? I'm going to replace that, because that sumbitch is definitely wore out, you see, and it's too easy. So I'm going to replace this. Actually, I'm going to AutoZone in just a minute. Stop the camera. So I'm going to replace this, and that's how we're going to do that there. So I'm going to turn the camera back on. Well, I'm going to go off. I'm going to turn the camera off now. I'm going to go to AutoZone and see if they got it. And if they do, I'm going to put it back on. I put you guys back on. I let you see the process. So, but like I said, I know it's been a minute since I posted a video. So I'm posting for you guys just to give you a little update. And I still going to have some videos coming out pretty soon. Alright, cool to brown now. Alright, fellas, so I got the shock. I did the other side already, so I filmed what I filmed and showed you guys, but now I did I'm doing the driver's side, and that's how it looked. So like I said, I got to adjust it out some more. So I got the bolts in, but I went ahead and replaced these because these right here was wore out, and I had bought a kit that replaced this. And these, I'm gonna have to get another one of these because it's dry rotted up here, so I'm gonna replace that too, probably in about a couple more weeks. But I did replace this right here because these ones was wore out, rattling, making noise too. So I went ahead and replaced these. These was like the sway bar links. They was $40, $43 a piece at AutoZone. So with tax and everything for both sides was like $90, 90 something dollars, 94 or something like that. But anyway, so my boat, I gotta put everything back on and tighten it up. And see, I put my tie rods. Took my tie rods off. I changed this, and I'm just gonna put it back on. I got this right here. I just ain't got them tight, so I'm gonna tighten all these stuff down, and I'm gonna try to get it adjusted right myself first, and then I'm gonna go to the rear. So I'm gonna try to make a rear when I put the rear on. I'm gonna try to make a video for you guys when I put the rear on. But I'm just do the front today, take down the road and see how it rides, and make sure they ain't making no noise, popping or anything like that. But I do like that color, that orange color. It's pretty hot. But anyway, I'll just give you guys an update. So I'll get back with y'all on the next video and keep trying to drop some videos for y'all.